Nopeas presents branch-wise clips for JOSA counseling. Through Nopeas, its members and volunteers are trying to provide you the best counseling support and guidance. We are only trying to brief you about different disciplines in college, and we are not asking you to compulsorily opt for any specific college or branch. We hold no liability or responsibility for any misinformation that creeps in while following this video. Please take your final decision at your own discretion. As you all know that the counseling and admission season is live and all the soon to go college students are confused with what branch they should prefer as they're clueless about their branch. So we are here to help you out. Hello everyone, I am Saraswati Kumari, an executive member of Nopeas, and today I have Mr. Ishu Kumar with us who will be telling you guys about his branch and his college experience. So hello Mr. Ishu Kumar, can you please tell us about your college, branch and where are you now?
Hello, Saraswati. My name is Ishu Kumar, as you already mentioned, and I graduated this year itself from IIT Kharagpur. I did my BTech in Industrial and Systems Engineering, and talking about my college life, IIT Kharagpur is a really good campus where you get a really good college life. You have so much to do apart from academic activities, like the extracurricular activities are so much there that like I was totally involved in those things only most of the time. And then talking about academic part, I will say if you do industrial and systems engineering, you will get a chance to like switch the branches, or you will also get the opportunity to take minors in different subjects or different courses. So you will have flexibility there, and yeah, that is all.
Okay. Now that you have told us like your majors was in industrial and systems engineering, I'd like to
Yeah.
know about the branch curriculum in brief.
Okay. First of all, my branch is you can you can divide this branch into two major categories. First one will involve optimization and analytics, and the second part will involve some part of manufacturing and then mechanical engineering. So talking about the first part, the analytics and the optimization part, you will get really good coursework. The subject will involve probability and statistics, linear algebra. Then you will have different optimization algorithm like operation research, optimization and heuristics methods. Then you will have simulation, product development. Uh, you will have data analytics, like the current scenario. You can see there are so much of involvement in data analytics, and you will get to learn about that. You will have deep learning, you will have machine learning, and all those things. These are the part of analytics and optimization thing. And talking about, you will have some courses which are somehow related to manufacturing and then mechanical engineering thing. There you will get to learn about machines and then manufacturing, how the process is done, how the manufacturing is done, how the process of manufacturing can be made more efficient, how the planning or the control of the production can be improved, something like that. So the branch is subdivided into two parts, as I already mentioned. So you can see if you know which part you like, but you will have to go through all the parts. Then only you will be able to complete the course. So talking about you will surely enjoy that first part, but I don't know about the second part. because most of the people are not so interested in manufacturing things. So that is up to you. Yeah.
Okay, so that was a nice detailing of the branch curriculum. I hope that helps students to decide if they are interested to take it as a branch in college or not. Now I'd like to know about the pros and cons of taking industrial and systems engineering as a major branch.
Okay, so talking about the pros, uh, like you can incline yourself towards this emerging field, the data science and data analytics things, if you have a good knowledge of the courses which are taught in my branch. Like we have courses such as quality engineering and then data analytics, which help you to grasp those basic ideas about those subjects, which can be further applied when you do jobs in the corporate field, which are related to data science and data analytics. So that may be the pros. Another pros can be, you get to select this branch even if you have, average rank in IIT. Like you don't need such a good rank. Then you get a good placement. Like if I talk about my batchmates, like my whole class was placed in the first week of December, which is really good. And let me tell you one more thing about the placement. Like there are 5 branches which are included at the first tier for any company, and those branches include computer science and engineering, mathematics and computing. Then we have electrical engineering, electrical and electronic communication, and the fifth branch which we have is the industrial and systems engineering. So that is a really good thing. If you are in IIT Kharagpur and if you have taken industrial and systems engineering, then you will be sitting in for all the companies, and you will be in the first tier. So yeah, you will be at a good hand. Talking about the cons, yeah, the cons can be, like if you are not interested in manufacturing and much mechanical engineering, then it will be a bit, tough for you to handle all the courses. And then I don't see much of, cons there. That's all.
Okay. Uh, as you mentioned a bit about placements already, I'd like to know about the scope of higher studies in this branch.
Okay, so higher studies. Let me tell you, I was much of inclined towards job thing, so I don't have so much of idea about the higher education. But you can do masters in industrial and systems engineering from, we have different colleges in India, but you don't have so much of college to do masters in India. You will have to do it from abroad. There are really good courses there. Like you can go to University of Arizona where you can do masters. And like if you want to do it from India, IIT Kharagpur is something I will suggest you, because you will get good facility and good faculty. Then you have master's program in IIT Bombay as well, where you will do masters in industrial engineering and operation research. Uh, and there are a huge lot of scope when you come out of India. You will have different colleges where you can do masters. Yeah.
Okay. Now we already know about the branch curriculum and also about the pros and cons of the branch industrial and systems engineering. Can you tell us why anyone should go for this branch?
Okay, so let me tell you, I already mentioned it before. Let me tell, like, if you have an average rank, like if you get a good rank, you will obviously go for computer science and then IT and all those things. But if you get an average rank in IIT JEE, and if you are like inclined towards data science and data analytics things, then you can definitely go for this branch. It will be really helpful for you. As you can see, I am doing a job in analytic company which is Innovator Analytics, and I am at a post of decision scientist. And all the, all the method, all the learning which I have from my branch, I am using it here, which is very helpful. Like if you are from, let's say, chemical engineering, or let's say civil engineering, you will have a totally different coursework than what we do in IT field. So if you have this branch like industrial and systems engineering in your hand, then you will have the basic idea or the basic background of all the, like the programming languages. Like you will get to learn about Python, and then you will get to learn about machine learning. So you will be at a better hand if you have industrial and systems engineering as your majors, and if you want to make a career in data science and data analytics field. Yeah.
That was nice interacting with you, Mr. Rishukumar. Thank you for providing us insights about the branch, Industrial and Systems Engineering. I hope this would help the students out there who are opting for this branch in different colleges. Thanks.
Okay, thank you.